Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and you are safe at home. Children, you should get up early in the morning and do some exercise. And please be careful. These days, you have to take more precautions. You should wash your hands again and again, use mask, and try to avoid crowded areas and stay home, please. Let's start. Third chapter of English grammar book, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means in the dictionary the words are arranged in alphabetical order. Children, when we learn alphabets, English alphabets, then we say A, B, C, D, E, F. Words that begin with the letter A come before words that begin letter with B. See, the words are given below. A letter row is ape, apple, arm, as, X. Again, B letter line is here bag, bat, bed, box, bud, day, den, desk. Children, these letter words are written according to alphabet order. How? A letter, first letter is same in all words. How we can decide which letter will come at the place of alphabetical order? APE, ape, and apple. Ape and apple both are, the two letters are same in starting. In apple, double P is here. In ape, APE. So, according to alphabet, we will write A double P L E. Then after P, R comes. After R, S comes. In last, X. After S, X letter come. Same will be, we will check in all words. First letter are same. You have to choose second. If second letters are same, then you will choose the third one. See in this exercise, some words are given here. A part. You have to write according to alphabet. C, G, H, L, M, P. You will write according to order. First, C, cabbage. CABBAGE. Now you have to choose all C letter words. Child, carrot, cock, class. After cabbage, carrot word will become. And after carrot, child word will come. And after that, you will write here class, then cock. You will write accordingly. According to G letter, gate, glass, goose, grass, guava. First letters are same, you have to choose second one. If second are same, you have to choose the third one. See here in H letter words, here, HAIR here, HARE here, HAIR, HAHA, both are same. Now you have to choose the third one, I, HAI. In second word, HAR. R comes after I. So we will write on the second number. Then hen. H letter is same in every word. So we will write according to order. After A, E letter comes. After E, O comes. Now horse and house. Both are looking same, but we have to choose from the third letter. R, HORSCHOU. U comes after R. So we will write in last. With the same lake, lamp, lemon. You will do all work with the same pattern. First of all, you will choose the first letter. Then second letter you will see which letter comes first. If both are same like lake and lamp. Now you have to choose the third one. Lake. LAK. LAM. Now after K, M comes. Now lemon. After A, E comes. After E, I comes. Lily. After I, O. Lotus. Now in B exercise, arrange the word letters in each of these words in alphabetical order. Now words are given. You have to write the letters alphabetical order. Drum. Here, D letter comes when we write A, B, C, D letters, alphabets we write, D comes first. Here, after D, M will come, then R, and last U. Now, pencil, C letter will we write first. After C, E, then I, then L, N, P. Children, you will write according to your ABC. Basket. First letter choose A because A comes first. Then E, B. Then after A, B. Then E. Then K, S, T. So, children, you will do all this work with the practice of alphabetical order. So, children, complete work at page number 5 and send work for checking. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.